Thanks to the feedback and suggestions from users worldwide, our ARC1 Robotic Total Station has had constant software updates and refinements ever since its release. Today, we'd like to invite you to witness the latest performance boosts of the ARC1 Robotic Total Station in prism tracking, locking, and automatic collimation.
In daily surveying work on flat ground, ARC1 can quickly search the prism and perform smooth, continuous tracking on it. When you're rushing to set up stations, or moving at a run for urgent survey tasks on site, the device holds a steady lock on the prism with unbroken tracking. And it has 360 degrees horizontal coverage, continuous prism tracking at every angle. It also features a plus or minus 18 degrees vertical tracking angle. For on-site work with elevation changes, you won't have to repeatedly adjust the instrument's position, enabling smooth, non-stop prism tracking. When we encounter such complex, heavily obstructed wooded areas, let's see how our robotic total station performs in this environment. It can still quickly search and aim the prism. Even after passing tree trunks, leaves and other obstructions, the prism lock remains firm. It cuts down the time spent ray aiming, and stable tracking ensures continuous data capture. This significantly boosts work efficiency, and saves both time and effort. Besides its powerful searching and tracking capabilities, ARC1 delivers stable, reliable communication over distances of up to 600 meters. It adapts to most field surveying working ranges, and enables smooth one-man survey. ARC1 can also directly measure distances up to 1,000 meters in locations where prisms cannot be installed, making your surveying work more flexible and efficient than ever.
Thank you for watching. More exciting content is coming soon.